Come here, Scott.
All right, buddy. That's from Tanya. Go ahead and open it up. Yep, this is from Tanya.
Right here. You sit down right here.
Everybody else knew it.
Yeah, even I knew it. You go, Lucky, before you go.
I think it looks like a bike.
Like a what?
A bike or something.
A bike or something? Do you remember, Boogie, turn around and look at me. Do you remember Aunt Kelly's little scooter?
Yeah.
That's,
This one is mine.
yeah. You like that?
Yeah. Is it a bike?
It's a scooter. Look over here. Look over here, Jay.
It looks like a bike.
Say thank you, Tanya.
Thank you, Tanya. Now I gotta do another one.
Okay. You're gonna send her that too? Now I gotta do another one. I'll be out of the way.
Everybody wave.
We can't open that yet.